Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In my previous videos, I showed how to fit various column adsorption models using Origin Pro, Microsoft Excel, and Excel Solver. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you a strategy for fitting Thomas Bohart-Adams Yoon-Nelson model easily using the same function, just slight modification. So this video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, the breakthrough curves are analyzed using the three empirical kinetic models. For example, Thomas Bohart-Adams, Yoon-Nelson, and other models to obtain different parameters for fixed bed adsorption. These models are chosen specifically to obtain the maximum adsorption capacity and half time of breakthrough of the column to understand the mechanism of adsorption and efficacy of the column for pollutant removal. Now, here is the empirical models that can be mathematically simplified into the following nonlinear equation. That means Ct divided by C naught equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential A minus Bt. Here the parameters A and B are different in different models. Now I will show you and compare this. Let us start with Thomas model. So this is our original equation and this is the Thomas model. So if you consider this equation and if you take common of kTs, then you can get in this form except e to the power k into a minus bt. So using this function including k, you can easily fit Thomas model. For example, in this case, A equal to Q naught M divided by Q and B equal to C naught, where these parameters are explained here, what are the meaning. Next comes Bohart-Adams models. So if we compare this Bohart-Adams model with this equation, and if you take k be a common here, then you get z n naught divided by f equal to a and c naught equal to b. So then this equation converts into this equation including k. So then Yoon-Nelson model. If you compare Yoon-Nelson nonlinear model with this equation, then you get, if you take ky and common, then you can get tau minus t. So in this case, a equal to tau and b equal to 1. So this equation is transformed into this. So using this strategy, you can easily fit nonlinear fitting of Adams Bohart, nonlinear fitting of Thomas Bohart-Adam and Yoon-Nelson model using Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel. This is the reference from where most of the informations have been gathered. And if you do not understand anything regarding this video, you are welcome to leave your comments in the comment box. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for more new videos.